right, so let's jump into this one. It does say convert to octal. It's relatively straightforward. It gives us a number in hexadecimal. And again, this really isn't so bad because if we go from converting to octal is pretty easy from binary, and converting hexadecimal to binary is not bad. So we'll go from hexadecimal to binary, then go to octal. Because remember, an octal is just groups of 3 bits, while binary or by hexadecimal is groups of 4 bits. So I can just take this 3, and we're going to basically put it in that group of 3 right here. So I'm going to make 3 this group of 4 bits. That's what I meant. This group of 4 bits is going to be that A. This group is going to be 9. This group is going to be B. And just as a reminder, we have digits 0 through 9, and then we have 10, which is represented by A in hexadecimal, B, C, D, E, F. So that's 15. So 11, 12, 13, 14. That's a horrible looking E. Okay. So we have 3. We know that's going to be a 1 and a 1 and a 2. A 1 and a 2. And that's it because it's 3. Okay. We have A, which is going to be 1, 0, 1, 0. That is 10, right? Which is an 8 and a 2. Again, things to remember. A, I always remember is 10, 10. A is 10, and 10, 10. It makes, 1, 0, 1, 0. It's pretty easy. 9 is going to be, well, we have an 8 and a 1, so that's not so bad. B is going to be 12, so we know that that's going to be 10, 1, 1. In other words, 1 more than the 10 here. Just change that one. So we actually converted it to binary. So that's our binary number right there. But to convert to octal, instead of having them in groups of 4 bits, we actually group them in 3. So starting from the right here, I'm going to group them in 3. And it might not be even. In fact, there's a 0 over here, so I'm just going to cut it off. Because again, if it was a 1 there, of course, I'd make it 0, 0, 1 or something, or deal with it. But there is no digit there, so it doesn't really matter. So in this case, we look here. We know that this actually is going to be 3 right there. 1, 0, 1 is a 4 and a 1. That's going to be a 5. We have a 0, 1, 0. That's just going to be a 2. We have that's just going to be 3. We already had that one, and then followed by another 3. So we have our actual number is 3, 5, 2, 3, 3, and that is octal, so base 8. So that is our value. Again, not so bad. That one's relatively straightforward, relatively quick.